बदल जातना तुमकां कॉन्फिडन्सा घेतलें नाशिल्लें?
Through media, I came to know. Yes, I agree that in politics, no post is permanent. But the way it happened, I in fact expressed my displeasure to the in charge. Ki at least you should have informed me. I mean, what was there not to tell me? I mean, what mistakes did I do? So I think that is part and parcel. It's over. I have forgotten about it, and it's time to move ahead. But the way the process happened, I think it could have been happened in a better way. ना गिरीशान आय डोंट नो वॉट हांवें आजूय पळयलां ताणें काल खंय तरी खंयच्या तरी मिडिया चॅनलाक सांगलां की ही ट्रायड रिचींग मी. आय डोंट नो वेन ही ट्रायड रिचींग मी.
2 समर्थकांक काल सस्पेंड केले. तांणी ओपनली येवन कांय गजाली उलयल्ल्यो. हाऊ डू यू रिस्पॉन्ड टू दॅट?
See, it is not, they are not my supporters. They are Congress party's workers who have spent so many years in devoting their time, money, everything to build a party. They are saying that why not other? If Amit Patkar is replaced, then why not others? There are so many talented people or leaders in Congress
Why
party.
only Girish Munda?
No, not why only Girish. See, because he moved away, in 2022, accepting that. So there are so many young leaders, because we wanted to win that seat, and we went with the sentiment of the 20 blocks, the then district president and the people of South Goa. But that time, the sentiment was that Captain Viriato could have given a tough fight, and he was the only probable candidate who could have won that time. So we went with the people.
अमित पाटकर आणि प्रमोद सावंताचे सेटिंग आसा.
When you can't, can't fight on the facts, when you can't deny the performance, then the best thing is to do is character assassination or create a rumor.
Was there a proposal to merge Goa forward in Congress?
During the ZP election, when alliance talk started, when he showed interest that he wants to merge and make Congress stronger to defeat the BJP, that is the time I thought that yes, it would have helped the Congress, and I moved that thing ahead. During that time, we discussed with our in charge also. We had one meeting here. Then when we went to Delhi, I discussed there also. But then why it got stuck, where it got stuck, that I don't know. That probably our in charge will be able to tell. But yes,